So in the other videos I made, someone requested for a sleeve, a senator suit sleeve. So that's for you. To do the sleeve, you measure the armhole after cutting your senator suit. We had 10 for the armhole. So let's place this aside. So after measuring your armhole and getting 10, so you deduct 1 from the 10 and now we'll have 9. So now we are using 9. This is what we are using for our sleeve. So 9 times 2 will give us 18. So you fold your fabric and you have your 18. We are cutting 2 sleeves together. So you have 18. And now you fold it back. To have your 9 this way. So let's get a baseline for our sleeve. So we have this. The sleeve length is 23. So we'll be doing a calf for this sleeve. And for me, when I'm doing my calf, I do the calf 3 inches. So if I'm doing a calf for this sleeve, I'll deduct 2 inches from the length, giving me 21. You will ask yourself, why not deduct 3? I deduct 2 because when I'm stitching, I'll stitch ½ inch at the top here and stitch another ½ inch here for the calf. So that will be the 1 inch. So that's why I took 2 inches out. But when I'm doing my calf, the calf will be 3 inches. So after this, I'll come and measure the length of my sleeve, 21. 21. Then I draw. After this, you measure the short sleeve length for the person. This one is 8 and 8. At the short sleeve area, that's where we put in our arm measurement. After this, come down 3.5. 3.5. All this I'm doing is how I do mine. After getting this 3.5, you draw the crown of the sleeve. With this, it all depends on you how you draw it. But it shouldn't be too heavy. So you see where I drew it and even how I'm even cutting it. So meaning what I drew was heavy. So you draw and cut this way. After, come and put in your arm measurement. Whether the person's arm is 12, so 6 plus 1. You come to the wrist. The person's wrist is 8. So 8 plus 1, our allowance, plus half. That's the ease that we fold here. So this. So now you connect this to this. Before you connect this, let's come and measure if you will get our 10 here. The 10 that we measured earlier on. So you see, we have our 10 here. So now you can go this way. So you cut. So this becomes your sleeve for your senator suit. Thank you.